Good morning, everyone. This is Linda. I hope you all having a wonderful day. Today is Tuesday, so I would like to share with you all just my week of what I've been doing over here in my garden. But of course, these are my sweet potatoes, and they are flowering. Now, if you Google, what you should do about your sweet potato flower, yeah, Google will say, take your flowers off. But I've been growing sweet potatoes for many years, and when I receive my flowers, I love them, and nope, I don't take them off. But, those are your sweet potatoes. Do as you will, but I'm going to enjoy mine. Yeah, that's that morning glory family, but they are beautiful this morning. Yeah, all of it is. Today, it's a little windy out here, but I really want to get this going, and this is just some red paint and primer.
Oh, Sunday. Oh, Monday. Oh, Tuesday. Oh, Wednesday. Oh, Thursday. Oh, Friday. Saturday.
This is where she gonna go, at the foot of this raised bed. Yeah. And this is her soil I'm gonna put in there, but let me get it in there, y'all. Hold on. So I put some garden fabric at the bottom, and now I'm going to put the soil in here. Yeah, let's get this soil in this box. All right, y'all. Wow, that was a job. I tell you, it was a job. Let me tell you what happened. Look, the whole thing came apart. You see that? As I was picking it up, everything, it just... So I've had this little bucket maybe for about a year, and it's just set out here and just dry rotted. But anyway, it done its job. Look, I ain't gonna fuss about it. But the most important thing is that the soil is in the box, and now I'm gonna have the pleasure of figuring out what is gonna grow in this little box this season. Probably a cabbage or a tatsoi, or so one year I had a Jody's cauliflower grew in this little box. It was a beautiful, beautiful cauliflower. Wait, let's see. This is it right here. That's it right there. So we'll see what will go in this little box this season. Now she all spruced up, got some new paint on her, looking all cute. So let's see what's gonna go in here. Yeah. So this was after lunch, and I had asked Ben to cut down all the salvias that is around the foot of my moringa tree. Now, they will grow back, but he also cut the grass too, and it looks so wonderful. I'm trying to show my people your work, Ben. He told me that when he moved a garden pot that I had, wow, it was full of red ants. And yeah, family, they attacked him. But he's all right. Really? Though. He's all right.
Oh, man.
Yeah. All right, guys. So we are having this perfect day. It's just so beautiful out here. So I don't know if you can see over there, but I'm cleaning it, and I'm also harvesting some of my basil seeds, right? But this container right here, I got a little stake up there, and I'm gonna put something else on it, but I'm gonna drop seeds in this container, and these are the seeds I'm gonna drop. They are called sweet pea. Now these are flowers, sweet pea flowers. You could just buy these from the big box stores. You see, they're from Burpee. But let me tell you all about the sweet pea flower. There is many perfumes that is made with sweet pea flowers, right? Now, I've grew sweet pea flowers in my garden many, many times. And you want a very sweet and beautiful aroma in your garden? Baby, nothing beats the sweet pea flower. She smells amazing. So, go ahead on and Google what perfumes are made from the sweet pea flower. But these are what I am dropping in this container right here. They are beautiful little flowers, and they smell beautiful. Man, look, sometimes I just take a flower and just rub it on me. You know, yeah. But you all check it out, the sweet pea flower. So if you have grown the sweet pea flower before, check in, baby, check in. Okay, so this is where I'm going to drop my sweet peas. Now, wait, give me 1 second. So the one thing I want you to know about the sweet pea is that she is a climber. She is a climber. So she's going to need something to climb up on, right? So I'm going to put some bamboo poles. I'm going to put a bamboo pole in here. A few of them. Yeah. There we go. So now I'm just going to put them all down, get some soil over them. Nothing huge and special, y'all. Just drop the seeds, right? Ain't no fuss, ain't no rocket science going on. Just drop the seed, baby. Just drop the seed, right? And there we go. And now I'm going to water them all in, right? And I'm going to put some bamboo poles in here. And I'm going to lead them all up to this main pole where I'm going to have, wait a minute. So I'm going to have the bamboo pole where they could go up here, and hopefully they go all around this circle that I have here and create this beautiful, beautiful circle of sweet pea flowers for me. That's what I'm looking for, y'all. That's what I'm looking for. Look at my artichoke back there. She's doing something. She's alive. Let me say that. I need to clean her up, but she's alive, y'all. Yeah. All right. I need to go over here. I'm going over here today. And then I'm thinking I want to move that raised bed. I don't want it over there anymore. No. So we're going to move it. And I'm going to put it out in another part of my garden. Yup. That's what I'm going to do today. All right, family. So I'm back over here by my butterfly pea flowers because I harvest them daily. Every morning, this is my first stop, right? But this is what I want to share with you all. Now, I shared with you all that many of my family, friends, and neighbors, yeah, they all drop seeds to me. They always drop something and ask me to grow something for them. So let me share this with you, okay? This is my, right here. So this is my regular garlic. This is my Italian garlic. I'm trying to get this thing right. I've been having it sitting on my my kitchen table for about, I guess I've had it for about 2 weeks now. I purchased these from La Monanita, and that is a Spanish-speaking store right here in my area. I always purchase my garlic from there, and as you can see, it's beginning to grow, right? But this is Italian garlic. It have purple. It's a purple garlic, right? But anyway, this is my garlic that I purchased for myself, right? I have about, well, I had 20 bulbs. I got more though, but I purchased 20 bulbs for myself. Now, I do love him very much. We grew up together, even though he is much older than me. But I love him very much, and he knows I love him, right? But he knew I wanted some elephant garlic, but I could not find any. Now, of course, I could find elephant garlic online and all this stuff, but I didn't want that. I wanted that to be my last resort. Many of you all know exactly what I mean, right? I wanted it to be my last resort. I wanted garlic that was grown here in Louisiana, or definitely in Zone 9, right? And this is what he brought to me. So this is elephant garlic. Look at this. This is 1 clove, right? Right. It makes me think about growing out the box garlic that he gave me last season. But this is a bulb of garlic that he sent to me, and this is elephant garlic, right? And I think he sent me like about 11 or 12 cloves of this garlic. Now, I'm not going to plant this garlic today, but this is what will be going in my garden. This is my Italian garlic, and this is my elephant garlic. This is what I will be growing when I drop my garlic. Now, I'm thinking that I'm going to drop my garlic somewhere around my birthday, which is December 11th. Because our first frost date is December 15th. So I'm going to make sure that my garlic is in place by December 15th. Yeah, now let me get on to getting my butterfly pea flowers today. All right, guys. So I am going to drop more seeds right here in this container, and as many of my containers I have, these plants will not live here indefinitely. I am just allowing them to grow up here. Yeah. And you know, my thought is that I have my home, my sister home, and my daughter, and some friends that have asked me for greens for at least one of these holidays. So I want to make sure that I have enough for all of us. You know, many people say, you know, I don't want to grow for everybody and so on, but seriously, I love growing for my family and friends, the ones who just don't have the time to grow because of work, children, or other responsibilities. I don't mind because seriously, I'm going to be in this garden no matter if I'm dropping seeds for them, because I'm going to be dropping seeds for me. So, you know, having just dropping a little bit more won't hurt me one bit. And so Ben is going to pull that other bed out, and I'm going to get it all together, and I'm going to have more brassicas for all of us to enjoy for all through the holidays. Even I will just have cabbages for some people because, the greens, you're going to have more plants. So that's going to be for my sister and I and Jody more. But my little sister, she loved cabbage. So she wants more cabbage than she wants greens. So I'm good with that. I'm good with that. So I'm going to drop a lot of cabbages for all of us because, y'all, I love cabbage too, I love cabbage too. So it's we've been having just a gorgeous day and it feels good out here. So I'm looking forward to getting all my seeds in the soil. I've been dropping seeds, so doing them on different times so I can have a succession planting where when one is growing up, then I'll drop more seeds. Yeah, because family, I want this garden to be full. I want it to be full of mustards and kale, cabbage, and collards. Yeah, and listen, I gotta have cauliflower because I love that too, right? Yeah, I want it all, y'all. Yeah, baby, I want it all. And seriously, it doesn't matter what time of year it is. A kohlrabi will be growing in my garden. Yes, rather it's the white Vienna, but it will be the purple one. Oh, yeah. So this is my Jamaican sorrel. So this year I only planted 2 plants and I tried to control them by not getting so much bushy. But I still have some petals in jars in my kitchen. But here they are, and here is the other one. And yeah, they're doing really good. I'm gonna be harvesting them real soon. Yeah. Now let me share my cucumbers. Nephew, check this out. All right, there is my cucumbers, and they are going up the Vigo. They're planted in the Vigo planter. And yeah, baby, we got cucumbers, huh? Oh yeah, they're doing really good. They're latching on and they're spreading and they're looking amazing. It's a beautiful day and they all are doing well.